Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about named cells property in Microsoft Excel action in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. Under the Excel action, if you go to read from Excel worksheet, here you will see that we have one property called values of named cells, right? So if you want to specify the name cells, that means you have to specify the starting column and starting row, colon, then end column and end row, right? So here you can also specify D, E, anything, and here you can also specify A, A1 or A2, right? Consider that you have to read data from A1 to B5, okay? Then here I will specify it as A1 to B5, okay? Now here it requires an instance, and we can get an instance using the attached to run Excel action. So here I will use attached to running Excel. This is the file name. Click on save. Then take read from Excel worksheet. Excel instance is already selected. Here I will choose values of name cells, and here I will specify A1 to B5. I will click on advanced, and here we have two options, which is get cell contents as text, so everything will be in text type, and you can omit empty columns to the right and omit empty rows at the bottom. So if you are having empty columns or rows, it will trim those rows or columns and will get it only till where you have the value. One thing you notice here that we do not have a property called first row contains the column names, right? So this is kind of a drawback while using this values of name cells property. I will click on save, and then I will click on run. Now here you can see that we have got the data from A1 to A5, and column names are coming as column 1 and column 2 instead of first name and last name. So that is a kind of drawback while using the named cells property. Now consider a scenario where you do not know the starting row and end row, right? To fix that, you can use get first split column and row. You can click on save, and then you can come here, and here you can use as first free row, and then here you can do it like -1. Click on save, and then click on run. Now here you can see that we have got all the data irrespective of the last row. So if your data is more than this also, it will be able to pick the first free row, and based on that we will be able to read the data. And here you can see that the last row is containing the Laura and Palmer, correct? So this was about how to find the first available row. But what if you have a situation where you do not know the first available columns? So if you see here, it is 7 columns, and this one is 8th column, and here you can see that the column is 8, correct? Since here we are specifying the name of the column, right, which is A and B, correct? Then how do I get the column name based on this number? For that, I will use get column name on Excel worksheet, and here I will use this first split column -1, right? So if I will do this -1, I will get the column till where we have the data, okay? And after that I will come here and I will use column name, and then I will click on save. Now I will run the bot. Now here you can see that the column name is G. I will open this data. Here you will notice that we have got all 7 columns, right? We are getting the column names in the row, and that is because of we do not have that feature to tell that the first row is the column name, right? And if you notice here that we have got all the data from the Excel worksheet, I will click on close. So for now, I will read the data from A to, and then click on save and run the bot. Now here you can see that you have all the data which you can work with. Same property is available in Write to Excel worksheet. If I open this action, here you will notice that you have on named cells where you can define the starting column and a starting row and end column and end row. And here you can specify the values that you want to write in that range. So this is how you can use values of name cells property in Excel. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.